In this video, I'm going to show you a Megapari promo code to use in Myanmar. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So if you're in Myanmar and you're looking for a Megapari promo code to use, this is exactly what you have to do. The first thing for you to do is to log out from your old account if you already have one. So after logging out, you're going to click on the new option that says register and you're going to search for your country, Myanmar. Another name for Myanmar is Burma. So if you see a country here, good, but unfortunately the country is not here. Even if the country is not here, I'm still going to show you a promo code you can use. So you can choose any other country, fill in an email address, put in a password. You can use this requirements to create a good password. And in the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code Leo TV. If you use promo code Leo TV, you're going to receive 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you can receive up to $300 bonus. So click on these three boxes and register your account, verify your email address, and you're good to go. And this is a promo code to use in Myanmar.